So the first thing we're going to do is an exercise called 6-inch drills. All right, so you get to lead him. Okay, so in other words, you get to torture him in 6-inch drills, right?
Okay.
So you go to a square horse there, okay, and you go to a square horse, okay, good, and you're just going to go down 6 inches. You just get to tell him when you do it.
Oh, I stay planted in my square horse.
Yeah, but you got to do what he does, but you're torturing him.
Okay.
All right. So you go down 6 inches, and then go down another 6 inches, and you get to hold each level as long as you want. And you get to come up a little bit and hold that as long as you want, and you then go back down and hold that as long as you want. But remember, it's just you torturing him. All right. So
okay. So
because you're in the lead,
right?
Because you're saying when.
So drop down a little more. Okay. So drop down some more.
Now you gotta remember, is that a teepee or a house? Alright? What's the butt doing there? Alright?
So as he drops, I drop.
Yeah, all you gotta do is sit there and go down 6 inches.
Oh, okay, down 6 inches.
Good. Now notice he sticks his butt out when he does that?
Down 6 inches.
Right, now you got the idea.
Down 6 inches.
He's gotta be looking at you. He's not looking
down
at
6 inches. Hold it. Up 6. Hold it. Up 6. Up 6.
Just look at it there.
Down 6 inches. Hold it. Down 6 inches. Hold it. Up 6 inches. Up 6 inches. Hold it.
Remember, you
Up 6
torturing him,
inches.
right?
Yeah, I feel like it's backfiring.
That's kind of the thing about being a teacher.
Okay.
When you're done, give in. Stop teaching him.
Okay, neutral.
All right, good. Sure, shake your legs out there. All right, while you're shaking your legs out, because remember, you don't do anything, you're always in square horse if you're doing nothing, so you're shaking your legs out. All right, so you guys talk about what are the details of the square horse that we just went over.
Butt tucked in.
Butt
tucked in. You want to make sure those heels are out.
Keep shaking your legs.
Knees are out. You want to have the knees out so you are more like a house foundation,
Not like a teepee.
not like a teepee.
Back straight, keeping the lats.
Back straight.
Keeping over your core.
Yes.
Good.
Good posture. Both weapons pulled back.
We're using the lats.
Using the lats to pull them back.
All right, got your legs shaked out?
Yes, yeah.
Shaken out? That's what we're doing. All right, Mr. Dorland, your turn. You got to torture him now. Okay. Payback.
That's payback. All right. Down 6 inches. Down 6 inches.
More like 3 than me.
Hold. Up 6 inches. Up 6 inches. Down 6 inches. Down 6 inches. Hold.
Don't bounce. Bouncing is cheating.
Up 6 inches. Up 6 inches. Hold. Down 6 inches. Down 6 inches. Hold.
Yeah. Son of a gun, man. You were just like, man.
Ow. Shake him up.
Oh. My legs were shaking so bad.
Torture.
I was trying to isolate different muscle groups so that way I would kind of get some pressure off the thighs,
Okay, so
but they were just taking over.
yeah. So one of the things. So this is not only a muscle building exercise, right? This is muscle memory. Okay, breaking it down. Okay, building it in. Your muscles are now remembering that spot more. They're remembering how they're aligning and all of that because they went through some pain in that spot and all had to work in an efficient manner together to do it, right?
Yes.
So it's make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.